Okay, so this is, I'm hoping, my last spray of the stripper. The lighting's kind of poor because I have to do this in late afternoon. But there's still some areas that I can't get to with my scraper, so I might have to get a smaller scraper or a wire brush. But it looks like it's all coming off. There is still some residue, which I'm hoping will come off with the mineral spirits. So once I'm done scraping here, wipe it down with mineral spirits, let it dry, then I'll put the primer on, and then the paint. I can't wait to see what it looks like. It off and get to painting. Feeling a little bittersweet because this is my last outdoor project until spring, and I got so much planned for spring. Alright, I have it all taped off now, and we're going to put my final coat on. Okay, so I had to paint this in the dark because the weather was changing and I wanted to get my first coat on, and I came back out the next morning and it was a drippy, crazy, sloppy mess because I was painting in the dark. So anyhow, what I'm going to do now is sand out all the drips, wash it off, and then put a second coat of paint on because crazy as it is, November 18th, and it's like 75 degrees out. Windy, which stinks for painting, but alright, here we go. Lots of drips here, and I think they'll sand out soon for the second coat. You can see them here. It was just a sloppy mess, but that's what a hurried job does, is create more work, doesn't it? Alright, I'm going to get to sanding. I got most of the drips out, but there are still some drips, but it looks really nice. Just shut this screen door, honey. Kitty's trying to break into the house. Anyhow, super happy. We're going to replace this decking, so I wasn't too worried about the paint, but I love the way it turned out. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more around our house, be sure to subscribe. Have a great fall.